Yes, it's me. I'm back. If any of you didn't read the community post I put up a couple of weeks ago, again, apologies for my absence in making videos. Unfortunately, we had a relative pass away, and it would cause quite an upheaval at home and with work and things like that there. So not much time for doing very much, let alone making videos. But a lovely day today. I'm taking time to get the post in some sort of order. So as you can see, the grass is not ridiculously long, but it's long enough, and I need to get it cut. A couple of new things. We got a nice bench, memorial bench for all the former members of the ROC in Northern Ireland. And I put up a electric fence just to stop the cows from damaging the fence any further. I've actually got a new one. Old dog. I've actually got a new one with me, much stronger one, which I'm going to be putting up later. So yeah, and a little bit of painting to do. My open day, it's actually got damaged, so I've completely repaired it and concreted it. So yeah, a few jobs to do. So what I'm going to do first is get all this grass cut. Once the grass is cut, I'll get another video recorded, just how everything looks when it looks a wee bit tidier. So yeah, for you, I'll be back in a couple of seconds. For me, I reckon this is going to be about an hour. So yeah, see you soon. Well, here I am. I'm pretty much just over halfway done. You can see the new solar charger there for the electric fence is fitted. Haven't turned it on yet though. A lot of grass. It's not as bad, it's not terrible. I've definitely done worse grass cuts, but it's not straightforward. I have to do the tilt the lawnmower back like that, do a first cut, and then go back and finish it. But yeah, really nice day today, and the bench is really nice. Local man made it for me, and I varnished it up, and it's very comfortable. So yeah, I painted the GZI mount. I'll show you that at the end. And but yeah, halfway done. Or well, yeah, I broke the back of it anyway. Just this bit to do now, and a little bit of edging, and that'll be me finished. And then we'll go below ground and see how that has fared over the winter. So yeah, back soon. There we are, all done. Apologise for the wind noise, by the way, in this video. It is very windy today. I'm trying to keep my hand over the microphone, but it's to no avail. But yes, grass all cut, and yeah, it looks a heck of a lot better. I've got a few bits and bobs I want to do below ground, so we're going to go down there. But yeah, just to show you, all the edges done. Solar panel is fitted and just getting a quick charge. I'm not going to turn it on until I leave. And then I've got signs up as well, just to warn of the electric fence. You have to put those up, so you do in Northern Ireland. I think you have to do it all over the UK, but I know for a fact you definitely have to do it over here, just to warn people. So yes, we're going to go down. A few spiders, but not too bad. And I've put 3 coats of paint on that. So that's all painted now, so I just have to put one more coat on before I leave. But yeah, looks well. Right, we'll go below ground. And there we are. This is the first time I've actually been down here, probably in about 3 or 4 months. The guts of the winter anyway, I haven't been down here. So I had that vent shut, I've just opened that, and it's actually pretty fresh down here. It's quite surprising how dry it feels. I don't know if anybody's used to old houses, but you can always feel a bit of damp. It actually feels really dry down here. Yeah, it's really good. But no leaks. Sometimes I get a leak just here. You can sort of see the remains of it. And that comes from condensation out of the FSM pipe. But it is dry. And everywhere else is really clean. I've got some moisture absorbers just to put out, just for the humidity over the summer. And that's why I keep that vent open. That's just to let a bit of airflow, natural airflow through, and bring some fresh air down here. And then any damp air, cold damp air, will be filtered out. But yeah, nice and clean. I'm just getting the modem on here. Yeah, the modem is connected with 4G. That's great. I've got a new mobile internet account. I was on Orange, a contract account, and I was just paying too much money for it. Wasn't using it very often, so I just went for £9 a month. That gets me 15 gigabytes, and that's more than enough for doing open days here. But yeah, post is nice and clean, and nothing strange or startling to report. So there we go, folks. There's my first video back in probably the guts of, well, it could be close to a year. No, it wouldn't be a year, because I did videos close towards my open day. So yeah, well, it's a good couple of months anyway. But anyway, hopefully I can remember how to end the videos. I'll do the shot up the ladder, because sometimes people like to actually see that I am below ground. But there we go. But listen, folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching. And fingers crossed, I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.